Draw Gallery.
Hello, welcome back to Kidz Draw Gallery. Today we are going to draw a cute butterfly. First, make a circle for its head and then frills for its neck to make it fancy. Then draw a curved body and then draw wings like two hearts overlapping each other. Well done. Now we will decorate the wings. Now divide its body into segments and draw its two antennas on its head. Now let's bold its outlines. Now it's time to color. Color the head with yellow. Neck with purple. And the body in rainbow colors. First blue, yellow, green, pink, red, orange. Now it's time to color wings. Draw lower part of the wings with pink. Upper parts of the wings from red, and the circles with yellow. Well done! This is a super cute butterfly. Let's draw another butterfly. Draw a circle for its head, oval shape for body, and then its wings. Lines in its body. Draw eyes, mouth, and its antennas. Now let's make it bold. Draw circles in its wings to decorate it. It's time to color. Color the face with yellow. And color its body with yellow. And circles with yellow. Now circle with red. Another circle with green. You can use your favorite colors. Now let's color the wings with pink. Lower wings with light blue color. Yay! This is super easy and cute butterfly. Now let's draw an owl. First draw two circles for its eyes and then a triangle for its nose. Then draw its face, ears, and its body. Then draw its wings, then legs, and its eyes. Decorate its body. Now it's time to color it. Color its face and body with brown color. Wings with brown color. And nose with yellow and center part of the body with yellow color. Legs with orange. And this is an owl. Now make its outlines bolder to make it more attractive. Well done! Now let's draw a birdie. First, draw a birdie with pencil. so that you can erase your mistakes. Draw a straight line and then a curved line to make its body and a triangle for its tail. Now draw its face and a curved line to complete its body. Draw its legs, then its beak, then draw eye, now draw it with color. Drawing outlines with black color make the drawing attractive. Make it more bolder. Now it's time to color it. First, draw its body with red color. Upper part of the body with yellow color. Beak with brown color. And our butterfly birdie is ready. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed drawing with us today. If you had fun, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy drawing tutorials. Let us know in the comments what drawings you would like to see next. And don't forget to share your artwork or tag us on social media. Keep practicing and we'll see you in the next video. Happy drawing!